Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a short, sharp update on the FIMI X8 Mini that I reviewed in a video a while ago. One thing to mention is it seems that, I will hold my hands up that I was, first of all, initially told wrongly, and that the Pro battery will fit the standard model, and it's going to pretty much have to. And the reason for that is because after continuous badgering of FIMI, I finally got an answer on the Pro battery. And it does seem the Pro battery is actually not going to be available until June, as you can see in the graphic below. So that's not a brilliant start or a brilliant option. And on this channel, if I'm wanting to do things correctly here in the UK, that might limit some of the flying that I can do when it comes to maybe some sort of urban signal strength test when I'm going to test it against the Mini 2. Not to mention, I think FIMI have actually upset quite a few customers, including especially one of my subscribers as well, and you know who you are. So essentially, it looks like that FIMI seem to have oversold a lot of their FIMI X8 Mini drones and pretty much put everybody's date back by about 10 days. 10 to 15 days. Now, that's not a great start in all honesty for this drone, and indeed my drone has been affected as well. No, I've not managed to get a free one out of them, but because of the delay, they have offered me a coupon off the Pro battery, and they've also offered me an extra set of propellers as well. But obviously I just want to get the drone here and get it tested. So essentially, the drone is coming to me and I will be reviewing it on the channel. Just wanted to provide you with that little update. Apologise for that lack of information or misinformation in that previous video, but of course I can only go by what I've been told. Update you on the fact that the Pro battery is going to be available in June, and yeah, hopefully we're all going to get our drones soon. So it was a bargain price. I paid £236. So convert that to your local currency. So because on this channel I do appreciate we've got the Air 2S coming up. If you want to know all about the Mavic Air 2S, I did cover it in a previous video, but I've decided not to explore that in as much detail. Please do go check out my friend's channel, Henrik from Tech Drone Media. He has covered this, including some very interesting thoughts, so I will link to his channel in the description below. By the way, do you think my videos look slightly better? Before, I was using the DJI Osmo Pocket as my main vlogging camera, and indeed that is what I'm using right now. But the trouble is, we've got slightly a shallow field of view on the DJI Osmo Pocket as standard, so I was just appearing a little bit too close up. What I'm currently using at the moment, I've now bought for my camera, is the new wide angle lens by Freewell Gear, and I think it just adds so much depth and a wider field of view, and I think it makes a big difference rather than me looking too close up to the camera. So what do you guys think? And just for a little demonstration of that, let me quickly take that off. There you go, you can see, if you look at the edge of my monitor here and then pop that back on, there you go, you can see so much more of the surrounding background, and I don't appear too close to the camera like I did before. So if you are interested in getting one of these, if you do have an Osmo Pocket or a Pocket 2, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go get one of those for yourself. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful, and please consider subscribing to see more updates on Osmo Pocket stuff, DJI stuff, and of course I will be testing out the FIMI X8 Mini. See you again soon.